Good day! On this video I will show you how to make your own toothpaste free of fluor and absolutely natural. Why is this important that we make our own toothpaste? Well, we can buy it from the shop. Well, because I'm not too sure if you've seen the scandal with Colgate, which is one of the biggest supplier of toothpaste. Well, basically, there's ingredients inside that give you cancer. Great. So, in fact, if you do your own, first off, it's way cheaper. And at the same time, it's all natural product. You know exactly what you've got, and it's very easy to make. Okay, so let's start. What we will need? We will need a recipient. So if you got something like this, you see, maybe an old pot of pâté, that will be great. You wash it well, and we'll do it inside. We will need coconut oil, like this. You can buy this in many shops. And you will need kaolin. I've got a brand new packet here as well. But if you don't want, you can use as well bicarbonate. That's also another option. And if you want as well, you can add a little bit of menthol inside, or eucalyptus. This gives a bit of a fresh breath if you want to. So let's prepare it now. It doesn't matter what spoon you use, the size you use. It will be always 2 of kaolin and 1 of oil. Okay, so that's how we're gonna mix it. Can you see the mixture we've got here, more or less? Okay, so that's good. I'll continue mixing, and at that time we can place a bit of essential oil inside as well. Okay. That's it. We've got our toothpaste ready, ready to use. That's great, and it smells very nice too. So obviously I've prepared very little because I'm only on my own here, but here obviously if you're in family, you prepare the quantity you want. There's no problem with that. As I said before, I use kaolin because it's more smooth, but if you want to use bicarbonate, you can use it too. Bicarbonate is a bit more abrasive on the teeth. It will clean very well too. Some people, what they do as well, they use a little bit of salt, just a little bit, a pinch of salt, that help as well to clean the teeth and to whiten them. Okay, so anyway, I hope that you have liked the video. Subscribe if it's not done so. Stay tuned. I will see each other soon. Take care.